party time in the air. So there was a 50th birthday of my mom's. So we went there, we danced, we ate, and we celebrated her birthday with all our friends, the family, and the guests. So it was a late Saturday afternoon. I knew there was something strange up there. Yeah, your homie was on the way to driving school. I started it like some weeks ago, so I was going there as usual. I was going to the Azul zone here in Abuja, and the houses are nice. Damn it. I was waiting under the sun. It was so hot. I will wait forever. Your home is riding. I am driving. I am riding. Yeah, I am driving. So this Saturday morning, I was going to meet some amigos in Jabi Lake because we were going to film a lookbook and we're going to do some photo shoots and some videos.
Guys are still from my bag.
Use a black and white.
They sabi read.
They mad.
Oh, nice so much.
Are you going to be doing video now?
So are we ready?
You need me to hype you. I hype for a living.
How do I? I'm trying to think about how do I like start everything and then edit.
Come on, director.
What? I thought you were going to video the next.
Yeah, I'm going to do one thing at a time.
So much. Why don't you just take the first one?
If I slap you, then I have to use this type of apple. Safely. Not safely. Like this, like hash. Azul. What is this? What? What? Who is this?
Now winter is coming now.
Who is this winter? What? You look like
I
Professor
forgot to bring it.
Yeah. It's true, without a book. I will leave the link to his video up here. Go. Nah.
This one, I want the camera.
Nah.
I'm here already.
Who's that guy like going that shop?
I don't know how.
Yeah, because.
Should I follow you?
Yeah, if you want.
That's what. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm filming somebody. I feel like a filmmaker.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I feel so important right now. Oh my gosh. Wait, sorry, please, in the name
So
of
where
God.
are we going?
I don't know.
Back there. Why is life like this?
Make it in life.
You see?
Is that her? Oh my gosh! You're the fine girl.
You're mad. Hello.
Hi.
I said to bring your mom.
Stop crushing on my mother.
Bring your mom now.
Stop crushing on my
He
mother.
says, have fun now. Why you fine?
Yeah, it's a video. It'll be featured on my channel, so you better. Yeah.
They are there.
What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for you.
Why you
Ma?
doing with this boy? You this bastard child that's behind Are you mad or something?
She is smile.
Take off the shirt, thank you.
Yeah, do it.
Dad, bring your clothes. It's grass now.
No, why would you remove the shirt?
Was a nice day. Wait, I think I forgot something. Let's rewind back. Way back. Way back. Stop. It's only water.
Sauce number 1, tuna sauce.
Okay.
Sauce number 2 in the making. You mad?
Nice.
Remember, it doesn't matter. The massage is long. But it's okay. Wait. Let Angela caption.
massage.
Okay, it's getting sticky, so put flour on your stick.
Abbiamo cucinato della pasta e della pizza per I nostri amici. That means that we cooked pasta and pizza for our friends.
Yeah, I don't mind. So yeah, here's the ginger. We're making some pasta,
Okay.
you know, and here's Chef, what's your name? Tara, that's her name.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what nothing to you right now. About.
Let's say that the result was okay for what we could find at the supermarket, but we had a fun time and I missed my Italian cuisine.
Thinking of carrying my blanket. If not, you walk in London like this one.
I feel going there.
Just like this your dress. You will become as block. See, let me tell you. Somebody like you come to London with dress like this. You see a small boy come and tell you your mother died, your father died, come to the Yes, then no small boy will tell you income.
I know.
Wait, baby.
Okay. We went to a club called The Hangover here in Abuja, and it was chill. We played some pool, and later we went for some midnight snacks because I was so hungry that I could eat the entire world. So since I was very busy throughout this week, here's a little recap. So my routine was waking up in the morning, having breakfast, then chilling and watching TV, going to driving school that was like from 2 p.m. to 4 or 5 p.m. It depends. And it was boring most of the time because from where I live it was far, the driving school, so I had to wait for the driver so that the lesson could start. And you know what I have to tell you, like there were some professional most of the times. They wouldn't call, they wouldn't message. And here's another time that I was waiting for the driving lesson and they didn't come this time, so I said, you know what, let me just go away and just try for another driving school because this survival for driving school was hell. Like it was so stressful, so they were not even organized, so I changed driving school. And yes, and I was going back home in this scene of the play. So this was like an example of my typical breakfast during this week. And yeah, I saw even some fish. Do you say fish or fishes? No, you say fish in the aquarium. They were so cool.
Team section with the fam. Double up. Train hard, feel good.
So all the family started these aerobics slash Zumba fitness classes, and I will do them until my departure because I will come back to Italy at the end of March, so of this month, and I'm so ready because I have a lot of projects and ideas that I have to create, and also have some collaborations that are in the works, guys. So expect a lot of new content on vintage fashion and thrifting, and I will see you very soon. So stay tuned.